introducing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Northern Huntsville, Athens, Meridianville, Moore's Mill, Hazel Green, Ardmore, Harvest, New Market, Lincoln, Elkman, Lester, Elkwood, Tony, Blanche, Taft, Cache Point, Holland Gym, Fisk, Bellevue, and Laketown. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.